any buildings. Are you okay? Are you alright? Stand away from them. If you can. Okay, go under the... Yeah, we're outside. We're down at the supermarket.